Yep guys, Jafik here and welcome back, and today I'm going to unbox my new mechanical keyboard, which is the Royal Kludge RK84, to replace my old keyboard, the AGS AK33. So both of these keyboards are 75% layout, which in my personal view is the best layout because of its compactness, and unlike 60 or 65%, it contains all the keys I need, especially the function rows, because I use it to play games like Dota 2. Inside the box contain USB-C cable, magnetic feed, extra switches, and keycap and switch puller. So this keyboard is a RGB and hot swappable, and mine comes with RK brown switches, while my old AK33 used Zorro black switches. So when getting the RK84, there is an option for linear red switches, but I'm sticking with brown because I want to try another switches, and so that's why I go with the tactile switches. As you can see, I've noticed that the white color seems to be a little bit different than my Model O. It seems to be like a little bit yellowy, but it's nothing to worry about. I've also forgot to mention that this keyboard is wireless, so you can toggle between Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle. So apart from the keyboard, I've also got myself an OEM profile YMDK grey beige keycaps, and honestly, I don't know why I chose to buy a custom keycap. Maybe because I was attracted to the old school vintage color scheme and the font. The one drawback is that it is a non-backlit, so when it's in darker environment, which I prefer most of the time, so it's quite hard for me to see the key. Luckily, I've learned touch typing when I first got my old AK33, so it's kind of good thing because before that I used to type with using only my index finger, and getting into a mechanical keyboard gets me into learning touch typing. So the problem with my old keyboard, the AK33, is that the keycaps worn out so fast, causing oily surface over time. And me being a person that sometimes have oily hand, the typing experience can be really bad, sucks. And meanwhile, the RK84, the default keycaps and these custom keycaps feels really nice on my fingers, and I can feel the rough surface, and I no longer feel any oil sticking to the keycap surface. Another major problem with the AK33 is that the rattling sound coming from the stabilizer, especially on the spacebar, is quite annoying, and you can hear it later on the typing test I've done. So here is the comparison for the brightness for the RGB of both keyboard. I must say that the AK33 RGB is more vibrant and punchy, where the RK84 is more soft and not as bright as the AK33. And when going through all of the brightness level for each keyboard, you can see AK33 is more brighter than RK84. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some typing tests. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content, and I see you guys again in the next video. Stay safe out there, guys. Bye bye.